Will the at-fault driver pay for all of your medical bills? In many cases, the at-fault driver is responsible for your medical bills and other losses. But recovering full compensation requires proving your care was necessary and finding all available payment sources. First, you must show that your medical treatment was necessary because of the collision and that the charges were reasonable. Second, insurance coverage matters. If the at-fault driver does not have enough insurance, you may need to look at other possible recovery sources, including assets or employer responsibility if the driver was working at the time of the crash. Third, a court judgment does not always guarantee payment. That is why it is important to investigate every possible source of recovery, including uninsured motorist coverage, medical payments coverage, or health insurance liens. Need guidance after a serious accident in Woodland Hills, California? The law offices of John P. Rosenberg can help you understand your options for pursuing financial compensation. Learn more or schedule a consultation at www.jrosenberg.com.